Yeah. Were there some lessons that from the early years that still influence the way that you actually teach communication today?
Yeah, and I have a formula that just works, right? The first thing is you have to help the person raise self-awareness, right? A
Yes.
lot of
Yeah.
times people have these communication habits, whether they're presenting or whether they're just in one-on-ones. They have them because they just don't know that they're doing them. They're habits they picked up at a very young age. Sometimes it's
Mm.
from family communication, things like that. And if I make them aware, that's the big thing is raising awareness. Once they're aware of it, then they have to be good at catching themselves doing it,
Right.
and then they have to find an alternative behavior to replace it. So I take them through those steps of raising awareness, helping them get good at catching themselves, and then replacing it with another behavior. And with presenting in particular, I almost always use videotaping because I
Yeah.
can say to them what I'm seeing, but until they see it themselves, it doesn't really register in the same degree. But once they
Right.
see themselves doing it, that's when real, the aha moments happen.